Hello, an unexpected video today as I got a tip off from my good friend Carlos, who is a YouTube expert and finder of new features aplenty, and he spotted a new option in the connected accounts tab, and that's what I'm going to talk about today, and that is connecting your Faceit account with your YouTube account so you can watch live and earn drops. So to do this, you need to click on your avatar, then hit the cog in the top right hand corner. You'll then need to click connected apps, and then you can hit the connect button next to the Faceit option. You'll read this privacy and data warning, I guess you would call it, and if you're happy with these terms, then you'll need to hit connect to Faceit. You will then need to log in to your Faceit account here, entering your email and password. I'm assuming you already have an account if you're watching this. If not, you will need to sign up for an account here. You'll then need to approve the connection between accounts. So just make sure you're happy with these two apps exchanging the information listed here. If you're using both anyway, then this is probably not going to be a problem because both apps probably already have that detail. So you hit approve and you are now connected. So if you visit the Faceit YouTube gaming channel, which can be found at gaming.youtube.com/Faceit, you'll see now that there is a little jewel icon, which is the confirmation that you have connected the accounts correctly, which if you click on, it will tell you how you can earn drops. There is another way that you can connect the accounts, and that is by going directly to the Faceit gaming channel. Again, that's gaming.youtube.com/Faceit, and instead of seeing that jewel, you'll actually see a button instead that says get drops, and if you hit that button, you will get a pop-up that shows all of the same data and privacy warnings that we were shown previously. Just hit the connect to Faceit button. In this example, I'm already logged in, so I don't need to log in again. But if you're doing this for the first time, you will need to again log in here to authorize the connection. And again now, you'll see that that get loop button is replaced by this jewel icon showing that it is connected. Now, it seems like a great time for me to reveal that I've got absolutely no idea what Faceit is or what it does, but that doesn't matter because I'm an old man. You're not. You're a cool kid because you're on Faceit. You're an e-gamer. You're a fan of esports. That's cool. And now you can connect the two and earn your drops, whatever they may be, while watching your favorite esports. So go enjoy a bit of Smite. I've got no idea what Smite is either, but I saw it when I logged into Faceit. If you found this useful, please share it with a fellow gamer. And for more easy tips and tutorials relating to YouTube, you can click here to subscribe, and you can click here to find out how to connect your YouTube account to Twitter. Speak to you soon.